Hey folks, Dave here for Out There for Danny Ray. Here's something. I'm gonna give you a fishing tip today. Get it in the light, get a little better light. Fishing tip for the day. When I go fishing, I carry a big old tackle box. It goes over my shoulder and it's heavy, and I've got everything I can think of in there. And that's when I'm bass fishing, you know. When I go cat fishing, I carry this. It's a softball bucket actually, and it's got all my equipment in there and everything. But besides that, I have, man, I don't know how many bags and boxes of extra equipment that if I'm looking for something specific, I have to dig through it to find it. Most of the time though, what I'll do is I'll go out and buy new, and then I'll come back later and like, oh wow, look, found that, now I got two. So I was thinking about it. I had all this little extra material, and I thought, why not? I have an extra room in the house, okay? This is my room where I do outdoors things, fishing rods, work on fishing rods, bows, arrows, things like that. But I had this extra space on the wall, and I thought, why not? Man, I don't think you guys can see that very well. All I did is I put up, let me get back here, put up a sheet of pegboard, went out and got these pegboard pins, and now just take this and I don't know, these are sinker slides. Boom. Boom. Now, what's so nice about this, you know, I got all these different little hooks that I can put things on. I'm going to have it full, I'm sure. But what's so nice about it is I don't have to dig through anything. If I'm looking for sinker slides, I no longer have to dig through bags of fishing lures and things like that. Down here's my floats, and I haven't really got anything organized yet. I'm just getting things out, and then later on I'll probably organize it in a way of, you know, bass and catfish and so on. But if you got an extra wall in your room, I mean, this is only 2 feet across and 4 feet top to bottom. So, and all I did, I give you the construction behind it. I took a 1x3 and I screwed it to the wall. I screwed it to the stud. Came over 16 inches, studs are 16 on center. Found another stud, screwed it to the wall, and then I took these little screws and I just attached the pegboard to those slats, and it's strong. I mean, it'll lift, it'll hold more than what I'm going to put on there. But I thought that was pretty cool, and I'll have a picture of it here when I get everything on it, and that's how we'll end the video. And you'd be happy to know there'll be no super turtles in this video. So with that being said, man, hopefully I can make a nice little get up here. You guys can if you can do it in the garage, man. Just put up a little place in your garage and bam. You don't have to search through everything. You just know you can see it. So that's what I've been doing today. And you know what, folks? If you like the channel, like it. I mean, hit a like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share it. I really want to grow this thing, man. I want to retire from my job. This is more work than my job, but hey, I'm good with it. So until next time, we love you. Keep God first, and I will see you next time.